guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today I want to make vegan barbecue sandwiches. So if you're like me and where I come from, we have got to put some coleslaw on those barbecue sandwiches before we eat them. So let's make a vegan coleslaw real quick. This recipe legit could not be any easier. So in this large bowl, I have half of a cup of vegan mayonnaise. For something like a coleslaw, I like to use the Hellmann's because it's a little bit of a thinner consistency than a just mayo, if you will. And to that, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar. And if you haven't seen my videos before, you guys, you have to be very careful with white sugar because most of them are processed using bone char. So that is not vegan, but there are some brands such as the Aldi's brand that specifically says on it, not processed using bone char. So we're going to throw that in there. And then I'm also going to add half of a teaspoon of garlic powder, half of a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now, of course, you can adjust those to your tastes. So we're going to just whisk this up. Now, y'all know me, still same old G. I am a lazy bitch. So I just buy the 14-ounce bag of already shredded coleslaw mix. So this is green cabbage and carrots that have been pre-shredded. You can certainly do it yourself, like you do you, boo. I'm just not about that life, and I'm trying to make things as easy and quick as possible. So now I'm going to add this in here, and I'm going to start stirring this up. And just like with our pasta salads, this is better once it sits in the refrigerator for at least a few hours. I try to do it the night before, but girl, I don't plan that well ahead. You guys, check me out. Our cabbage and carrots wilted down. Let's take a bite, even though I made it a million times. Girl, I'll tell you what. This is this brings me back to barbecues, old school. Okay, that's legit as fuck. Full written recipe, as per usual, will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. And stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how to make a vegan barbecue sandwich.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.